Hey, welcome to this week's video. It is a stocking stuffer guide. What can you stuff in a little stocking to make somebody happy? And not everything has to be a big, expensive, over-the-top type of an experience. Sometimes you can impress people with little things that can fit inside this stocking. So first of all, welcome to the new apartment. If you didn't see last week's video, it was a home tour. So you got to experience where I'm living now, and I'm sitting in my little office area, and the living room's behind me. The sun is setting, so it's a little dark and moody. I'm super thrilled, and I don't want to waste any of your time. Get a move on, as we say here in Texas. The first item on my list for stocking stuffers actually fits inside this little box. This is so cool, and the reason why I was so attracted to this gift, I wear glasses, and I have big glass box cases right here on my desk, and they take up a lot of space. And so since I'm in this zone of trying to declutter, I found this really, really cool eyewear stand, and it's in brass. So you take your eyeglasses and you rest them in the stand, like so. And it sits, look, it's like a brass nose. And so it sits on your tabletop like so. Is that the cutest thing ever? But it gets them out of the box, because everybody wants to be out of the box, and it puts them on your table in such a lovely, fun, cool kind of a way. So the first one is this brass eyewear stand by Craighill. Found it on Amazon. Most of these, by the way, on Amazon. And this one was one of the more expensive ones. It's $68. And it's very kind of artistic, and it's part of decluttering, and I love that. So anyway, that's number one. Get the debris out of the way. Number two is, where'd it go? Number two, this cute little thing. This is by Anker, and it is a charger for your cell phone, and it is portable. It's 2-in-1, so it's for iPhone 14 and 13, Samsung S22 and S21, the Google Pixel, Apple Watch, AirPods, and a lot more. So you plug it in, look, it pops out, takes 2.5 hours to charge, and then you take it with you, and you plug it in for your phone here, and then you charge it here. And so this way, no matter where you are, you've got a device that's charging, and it's portable. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge your phone. $39.99. $39.99. I really like this color blue. I think it's great. And who doesn't need a portable charger? The next one is something that I love, because you know how much I love coffee, and I always make coffee and take it with me on the road. So I found this collapsible cup by Stojo. I mean, if you're an outdoorsy kind of person, it's great because you can take it hiking, biking, whatever. Okay, sometimes you need glasses to make magic happen. Anyway, you take the cup and you pull it out, and it's got the lid, screws on, this little top twists, and you can put a straw in it, and then a cup holder, so that your hand doesn't touch the hot part. This color is Cashmere. No BPAs, no BPSs, no phthalates, lead, or glues. It's only 15 bucks, and it just fully collapses like that, and you are good to go. Thank you, Stojo. I love that. So love being able to take my coffee with me. Okay, the next is something to clean your jewelry. And this is by Connoisseur, and it is their Diamond Dazzle Stik, and it's also the portable cleaner for gold jewelry. So what's nice is that if you have really nice, let's say you've got your engagement ring, your wedding bands, so it's a stick, and it will clean, I don't have one, but it will clean your jewelry. And then these wipes are for gold and silver. Use it right there to polish my watch. And they're only $15.97 for both. Okay, next up are some products by Scentbird, and I love this company. It's a subscription-based company where you get to discover scents that speak to you. So if you're shopping for somebody, you might want to get a sense of the kind of scent that they like, based on what they wear, but how it works is that you fill out kind of a questionnaire online about the different fragrances that speak to you, and it's a subscription service, so you get scents, and you can choose a new designer fragrance every month for $17 a month, which is so cool because you don't get locked in to one scent, but you get to experience with different scents from Scentbird. So inside these little pouches come the different perfumes. And what's neat is that they do perfume and cologne for both women and men. I mean, things like Versace and Gucci and Prada and all of that. And then the scent just pops out like that. They come in these little bottles and you pop them in and they are ready to pump. And beautiful. So I have to tell you about the couple that I have tried so far. The first one is Amouage Honor. It's eau de parfum. It's a nice, warm, sensual, spicy, kind of a deep smell to it. The other one is Storie Venziani by Valmont, Just Bloom. That is an elegant, warm, and floral kind of a smell. And then we have Monique Lulilier Eau de Parfum. That's a more sophisticated, kind of a green, floral, woodsy scent. So those are the ones that I gave a try, and I'm really enjoying them all. Again, how cute, because these are perfect little stocking stuffers, and then 17 bucks a month. And if you can do the introductory part, and if they want to take it over, that's great. But what is so exciting is that Scentbird is giving you all a discount, 55% off your first month of Scentbird by using the code DS55. So the next one, this thing is fascinating. Where'd it go? Here it is. This is Sunshine 7-in-1 cleaning box. Now, for those of you who are at a keyboard and a computer all the time, I feel like my hair is in a million different directions today. This thing cleans it all. So it's a keyboard screen monitor cleaner, and you take this little handle, pop it up, there's the brush. So you get into, here we grab this keyboard, for example, you can kind of get in and you brush, in between and get all the dust and the debris off. And then pop off this little top. And it comes with these pads. There are two of them, but they Velcro. And then this is used for wiping a screen. So you can take your cell phone and clean your screen or your computer screen, like so. Then you open this baby up, and now you fill this little pump with water to be able to spray things down. And then this little baby, this thing is just so amazing. It's a little micro brush for your earbuds. So you can clean those guys out for those of us who use devices, and that would pretty much be everybody these days. It even comes with wipes as well, only $12.79. The next item on my list, I love these. If you like to read, and who doesn't, these are magnetic bookmarks, and they are optimistic, positive quotes, come in a set of 12. I love the first one that I have up here. Do good and only good will come to you. And so it's this cool little magnet, and you basically use it as your bookmark. So 12 different quotes, write your own story. The best is yet to come. Trust the process. Okay. Don't quit your daydream. These are so good. These are so adorable. And what's even better is that they're only $15.95 for a set of 12. I love these. All right, next up on my list is something to tend to your sweaters, your cashmere wool. It's comfy clothier. It is multi-fabric cedar wool sweater comb for depilling cashmere. So you just run it basically up and down your sweaters. And if you have cashmere and it's getting little pills, this is a great little way to take care of your sweaters, make everything look fresh and new. This is so not cashmere, this is Target, by the way. But yes, this will most certainly take care of things. And it's pretty, it's made out of cedar. And what's even better is that it's only $11.99. We're moving into some skincare now. I think what every woman needs is a little eye depuffing cream, and this one by Tula is absolutely fantastic. Uses probiotics and superfoods to depuff and will take care of the partying that goes on during the holidays. It's got one of the metal applicators, so it cools automatically. You can use morning and night. This one is $58, so a little Tula will do ya. Oh, speaking of, let's say you plan on having some cocktails at a cocktail party and you want to prep and you want to make sure that you don't pay the price the next day. You might want to invest in some flyby recovery post-party relief. I'm sorry, but to me, this is a hilarious stocking stuffer. So this has a liver aid, electrolytes, and antioxidant, 90 capsules. You take 3 capsules before the party and 3 capsules after, and you are guaranteed to get up without a hangover and feeling absolutely miserable. It's got DHM, which is a fancy name for dihydromyricetin. Dihydromyricetin. That's what I'm going with. Recovery flyby pills, I think, are an absolute must. You know I have to throw this in here because A, it is the perfect stocking stuffer size. Secondly, everybody has dry lips. I use the Lancino nipple cream for my lips because to me there's absolutely nothing richer or more potent to take care of your lips. I will put this on at night before bed and it's still on in the morning, and I put it on in the morning before I put on my lipstick, and it's just this wonderful moist foundation, so I do not have cracked lips. If it works for the nips, you know it's working for the lips, and it's $9.12 on Amazon. Okay, last but not least, if you like the shade of lipstick that I'm wearing, it is Dominique Be Bold. As you know, I recently partnered with my friend Gentry Kelly to launch 2 lipsticks, Dominique Be Bold and Dominique Be Blessed. So this is the Be Bold color. The lipstick by itself is $27, but if you want to do the bundle, which includes the Cherry Go Round lip gloss and the pomegranate lip pencil, all in, it's $77. These are great party colors. I kind of call it, when Gentry and I were working on this, it was like the perfect berry. You know, red is tricky, but this to me is just the ideal berry, and it goes on any skin tone, and every woman who's gotten it so far has loved it. So I'm super thrilled, and I had to throw that in my stocking stuffer because it's just the right size for a stocking stuffer. And don't forget, by the way, the 55% off of Scentbird by using the code DS55 if you're opting for that. But those are my stocking stuffer ideas. If you like the sweater set, I'm going to link it. It's actually a sweater set. See, it's got a little tank top underneath. And this little stocking I found at Target as well. Links to everything will be provided in the description portion of the video. If you just click show more underneath the description, it will all expand. If you watch on your cell phone or tablet, there's a little down arrow to your right, hit that and it all expands as well, and then it'll take you right to the product. But I wish you good luck in your holiday shopping, and I hope you're winding down and getting everything you need. And yeah, next week, I think we're going to be tackling some holiday fashion and holiday makeup as we round out 2022. Be bold and be blessed. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.